Welcome everybody to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead actually complete the server rack build. Last time you were seeing the video, we actually went ahead and put a one Nutanix node onto the server rack. Now we're gonna try to put 3 more nodes into the server rack. So we have 3 node here, we're gonna have 4 node here, and we're gonna have another 4 node here. So we're gonna have probably total about 11 nodes. That's what we plan to have. So we're gonna do that, and I have Mukhtar here. He's an IT student. He's gonna help us with that, and this is something he's gonna be in the main stage, main charge of it. So let's do it. So what we need to do is that first of all, let's get our cable out. I think we need to do one thing. Let's get all the cable out. We may have to unplug all the server out of it, and then we're gonna just put this one for now on the floor for now. So this switch, we gotta unplug it and move it out of the way, because what we need is move it out of the way. And probably, no, you don't have to unplug it, just plug it back in. I just need it out of the way because we need to put a server here. And we also need to move this thing down just over here, so that way it's kind of gonna be stacked up over here. We can just set it down, but you can set it down here on the floor, it won't hurt. So now let's unplug that side, put it by where it says in between 15 and a half over here, before that dot. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So you just push this out. When you push it both together, it should be able to let you out. Sometimes you can use the pen to basically maneuver it, and then you can just wiggle it. See, I got mine, I moved it up, so I need to go down. We're taking it down to 15 over here, or actually over here, because we want to be just on top of it. You know what I'm saying? We don't want any space left unused, because we're gonna have a lot more server later on. So I'm trying to do it. I think what I need to do is get a tool for you. This is a tool I would recommend. We can use something like this. So you push this in here, it's supposed to help. And then now we can just go ahead. Now the only thing is it's super sturdy. So you have to push that in and then push it, and then there you go, mine is out. I have to do the same thing in the back, but just keep pushing until you can get that level to go down. It retracts this one. This one is better. It's not like the last one. It was unfortunate. So there you go, this one is good. Also, just to make it clear, we're doing this from the back, so this is not going to be what we're going to look at all the time. This is the back of the server. So don't take it out. We're going to keep it as it is. I'm keeping it in the same position as it is, and then lowering it. Is that the front or back?
This is the front.
Yeah. So now let's just put it right on top of this. I'm going to try to, I'm going to show you exactly whenever I'm done. That's actually here. That should be good here. Fine. We want it to align, so I think this one will be fine. It's not going to be right on top, but it's going to be good because you can't put it on here. So I think we're going to need to put it by here. Let the black part come out, this part come over here. So you got it? Let's do that. I'm the same way. Oops. I'm tripping myself over here with all the boxes. See how this one retracts out? Like you can pull it back to somewhat. There you go. Mine, I'm in. Where am I? So let's see here, 17, near 17. So am I on top of 17? Or I think that one I went down a little bit. Let's see here. Before 17. Yep, I got this one. I'm good. So you want to be before 17. Yeah, exactly.
Are you supposed to?
Oh, you just push it back. You're supposed to be able to push it back. And there you go. And then you just basically, you don't have to use anything.
There you go.
That's it. Perfect. So this one, because the way the setup is, we're gonna need to temporarily unplug this. And here's the challenge we're gonna face, right? This rack is gonna get heavier. I reckon we need to probably unplug that server, move this up and move our camera closer there, than making it, because this one, the more we fill this up, the more it's gonna be hard to move. So what I think we need to do is move those server out of the way, put them over here for now, and then move that rack over there, and then fix the wires. Then that way we can just slide this over and we don't have to worry about moving later on, because later on it's going to be a lot of work for us. We're adding the one from the closet and this one, 3 servers. Yeah, so are you sure? Look, we can't even move it right now.
Yeah.
They will. There is 60 pounds each. Trust me, they're 60 pounds each. So I don't know, you are stronger than me, but I think what I'm going to say is that it's going to be a lot. So here's how it looks like right now when it comes to moving it. You can move, that's how it looks like. So if you think we can handle a lot more server like this, because the ultimate thing we need to do is, this one is not hard. All we're doing is unplug this, keep it on the cart, and that's it. Exactly. We actually have a disk failure over here. See how some of them have a red light? Omar, be careful. So you can see over here, this red arm is network cable is unplugged. That's the indication. If the disc failed, you can see this is not going to be like that solid blue right there. It will be red. So that means the network connectivity is not good on some of them. So that's fine. So we don't need it. So let's make sure that we're going to just drag this one over there. There you go, it's in.